Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Jitsi Meet connection problems step by step. If you're having trouble joining meetings, experiencing frequent disconnects, or dealing with poor call quality, the issue is usually related to your internet connection, browser device, or the Jitsi server you're using. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Open a website or run a quick speed test to make sure your network is working properly. If your connection is unstable, reconnect to Wi-Fi, switch to a different network, or restart your modem and router before joining the meeting again. Next, refresh the Jitsi Meet page or completely restart the app if you're using a mobile device. Temporary glitches can often be resolved by simply reconnecting to the meeting. If the problem continues, update your web browser or the Jitsi Meet app to the latest version. Older versions may have compatibility issues or bugs that affect meeting performance. It's also a good idea to clear your browser's cache and cookies if you're joining through a web browser. You should also close unnecessary applications or browser tabs that are using a lot of bandwidth or system resources. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily, since it can sometimes interfere with your connection to the Jitsi server. Finally, if you're still unable to connect, check whether the Jitsi server you're using is experiencing maintenance or temporary outages. If you're using a self-hosted or organization-managed server, contact your server administrator for additional assistance. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Jitsi Meet connection problems and enjoy more stable, reliable online meetings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.